If your dashboard suddenly shows vehicle system malfunction, take a breath, don't panic. I know it sounds serious, but most of the time, it really isn't. This message is the car saying, something doesn't look right now. It could be the engine, the brakes, the steering, or just a sensor getting bad information. And here's the good news. A lot of the time, nothing is actually broken. The most common cause I see, by far, is a weak or dying battery. When voltage drops, the car's computers get confused and start throwing warning messages. A charging issue, a dirty sensor, a loose ground wire, or even a small software hiccup can trigger the same warning. So before you replace parts, before you spend money, start with the basics. Open the hood, check the battery terminals, make sure they're clean, tight, and not covered in corrosion. If the battery is more than a few years old, or struggles to start the car, that alone can cause this warning. If everything looks okay, try a simple reset. Turn the car off, disconnect the negative battery cable, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it and start the car. Your clock or radio may reset. That's completely normal. If the message disappears and stays gone, you're good. It was a temporary issue. If it comes back, that's when a scan tool really helps. Plug it in, read the codes, and don't panic when you see them. The codes don't mean, replace parts. They tell you where to look. Clear the codes, restart the car, and see if the warning returns. If it does, then the problem is real and needs proper repair. One important warning before you go. If the steering suddenly feels heavy, the brakes feel different, the engine loses power, or several warning lights turn on together, stop driving. That's the car telling you it's not safe to continue. If you're dealing with this warning, comment your car's make, model, and year, and I'll help you figure out the next step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.